Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to synchronize audio and video in Camtasia. In Camtasia, there is no automatic way to synchronize audio and video, but don't worry, we do this by the manual way. Manually, we synchronize audio and video in Camtasia. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, go to your video and audio. In this case, this is my video and audio. First video is from my screen recording. I record my screen and record my microphone also with my screen with my condenser microphone or the microphone. Our second video, this video is from my mobile phone, and I record video from the mobile and also record my audio from my phone microphone or the phone microphone. I select these two videos and drag this to the Camtasia. I import this to the Camtasia. Here is our two videos. I first go to my screen or my screen video or the screen recording and drag it to my Camtasia. Now I go to the second video. This is my second video. I also drag this to the here. Okay. Now there is two video. This is our first video and this is our second video. Okay. Now next step is we are going to manually synchronize that part. That is very easy. Go to the view first, and if you enable playhead snapping, then uncheck this. After that, here we find zoom. I go to the here and I zoom in my video and match your audio part. In this case, I match my audio part. Here is my audio and this is start from the here. So I manually go to the here, and after that I go to this part, matching part, and zoom in, 100% zoom in. After that, go to the this key and go to the here. Okay. Now drag this part to the here. Now check it is manually synchronized or not. Click at
This is a testing video how to automatically synchronize audio and video in Wondershare Filmora, and it's work on the.
Now I go to my first video and I mute this part of this screen and check.
All Filmora version.
There is no reverb or no double audio from our speaker. That means our synchronize is 100% done. If any kind of the double video or reverb, that means our video and audio is not properly synchronized. After that, here we find my first video. It is from my mobile, and mobile microphones are not good, so we can delete from here. I go to the here, I right click on it and separate my audio from my video. Okay. Now I go to my video, my audio, and here we find this lock button. I think this button and disable it. Now I go to my video.
This is the testing video.
And that's done. We synchronize our audio and video by this simplest way in Camtasia. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.